Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. As you can tell, there's scratches and all over it. It's old, my dad gave it to me. It has, this is an older version, I think, and instead of a corkscrew, it has a Phillips head screwdriver. I can just get that out real quick. Yeah. That's how it looks. And then it has this little grappling hook or whatever. I call it a knife's arm or a knife's hand because I call it a knife's hand because it actually looks like the knife trying to wave at you. But anyway, it's some kind of hook for the rope or something. Then the last thing on the side, you have the awl, which I'll get out real quick. And there you go. And you're supposed to punch holes in leather or something. I guess you can use it for punching holes in a belt, I guess, maybe. Then on the other side, you have the big blade, which is one of my favorites. And as I said, this is an old knife, and it has scissors on it, but they're broken. So yeah. Anyway, it has that, and it's really used, and it even has the real sharp tip. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Oh, and it is missing the toothpick and tweezers. I'm gonna buy the new one that has the corkscrew on it, but this is how far I got. And then it has the tiny blade. Then the other two things it has are the bottle opener and the can opener. And they're also flathead screwdrivers. I'm pretty sure that this one's the can opener and that one's the bottle opener. If I'm wrong, then leave your dirty, rude comments to yourself. Because, yeah. Unless I'm out there. I'll see if I can get them out real quick. They're usually real hard for me to get out, but... Oop, got them. My dad gave them to me. Let me close up the can opener and bottle opener real quick. And as I said, they are broken. But I mean, I can still use them. They're just not as easy. I mean, you can go like, and I can prove it if I can find here. Hot packet thing. Okay, well, I won't cut through that because that's hard, but anyway. Yeah, they're broken. It is the classic deep red. Very scratched up, though. And luckily it has this little keychain thing. Well, guys, I guess that's all for this video. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later.